Hello everyone and welcome back to part 2 of our Functions Python programming series of videos. So in this video we're going to be looking at how we can use functions in a little bit more depth and how we're eventually going to use them in our text-based adventure games in the coming weeks. So here I've created a simple introduction to a text-based adventure game. So I've got def intro, which is the name of my first function, so the introduction to the game. And then I've got two print statements, which are just introducing the player to the context of where they are in my game and the two choices they have. So a slobbering orc is running towards you, you will A. Grab a rock and throw it at the orc, or B. Lie down and wait to be mauled. So here is where I now need to introduce that element of choice for the player. And we do this using conditional statements that we looked at in the previous weeks. So here we can see I've got choice equals input. So I'm offering the player their choice in what they want to do, so they can either choose A or B. If they choose option A, well, we can see here that we're calling another function. So what I would need to do is create a function called option rock, which would either show the outcome of the story or offer the player a new set of choices. But we'll get to that in a moment. My second choice, elif choice is equal to B, so this is if player chooses option B, it'll print, that was quick, you died, because if you lie down, an orc's going to kill you. Else, print, could you only enter A or B? So this is if the player enters any other option other than B, A or B. So let's say, for example, they enter C or just smash their hand on the keyboard. It will print, could you repeat that? And then it will run the introduction function again. So it'll run this intro function all over again, and it will offer the player the same choice, and it'll cycle through all of this code again. So let me show you how this looks and runs in Create with Code. So you can see here I've got my program. When I click run, we can see here that the first thing it does is print my first two statements, offering me my choice, and then I'm offered to enter the choice of what I want to make. So at the moment I'm going to enter choice B. So when I click OK, the program should say, that was quick, you died. And that's what the program says, because B, what we entered, is equal to B here, so it prints that was quick, you died. So let's try this again. So I'm just going to smash my hand on the keyboard and press enter. So what should happen is it should offer me the choice all over again, because I'm running this function again in my else statement. So let's press OK. So you can see here it says, could you please only enter A or B? And it offers me the same choices again. So it just runs through this code again. So let's now enter A. Well, now we've got a problem, because name error, option rock does not exist. So at the moment I don't have a function called option rock that would let me continue the story. So what I would need to do is create a function called option rock that would provide the maybe second part of my story. So to do that, I need to move this down a little bit, and I would need to do something like def option rock, and then end my line of code. I'm going to stop there though, because what I want you to do is complete this function for yourselves and have a go at continuing the story. So if I switch back over to the PowerPoint, I want you to continue this story for yourselves. So I want you to create a function called option rock, and I've just shown you how that's accomplished. And I want you to tell the player what happens if they choose option A. So what I want you to do first is just tell the player what happens using print statements. So you don't have to use conditional statements yet, we'll be moving on to that next. I just want you to use print statements to tell the player what happens when they make that choice. Maybe they die, maybe they escape, maybe it hits the orc and they get a chance to run. Tell your version of the story. Okay, so pause the video here and have a go at that.